Vrienden en familie, ons is 'n bietjie hierso by 'n undisclosed location. Ons gaan 'n bietjie rhinos dart en deerhoorn. 'n Paar manne van Pretoria gekry. Ons gaan hulle wys hoe werk julle deerhoorning ding. Ons natuurlik saam met die Suid-Afrikaanse Wild Reservation ouens hierso en almal wat moet weet wat hulle doen. En ons het vir James hulle van Wild Adventure Reservations. Ek kan nooit daai woord onthou nie. Maar ja, ons gaan 'n bietjie vir hulle wys wat ons doen vandag hierso.
So James is natuurlijk ons darting expert. En hy laai na die darts om seker te maak dat die renosters ordentlik slaap is. James, sê hallo.
Hi.
Met daai klein dingetjie nou 'n renoster uitsit. Nee, dit voor.
Wil nie uitsit nie.
Wel.
Slaap sit.
Gaan nie slaap sit. Maar laat film dis.
Ja.
Dis net dart dit is nou. Interesting.
Overseas is overrated. We go over trees.
Nice.
Wild Adventures makes sure that everything goes by the book, not just for the safety of the rhino, but those that participate in this glorious event. Making sure our rhinos are kept safe for the next generation.
Here's to good times and doing life with the right people and the best yet to come, my friends. So yeah, so thanks for having us. And Chris is going to play tunes. This guy, yeah, his singing is going to shock us. You want to thank us,
just having fun at the end of my heels. That's where I belong, down at the Bing Pony Club. I'm gonna keep.
If you want to bring yourself or your team for this adventure, please contact us directly for our options.